Part 2 of decorating the whipped Mickey topper. I'm using an acrylic paint marker to add some color. Here I'm brushing on some UV resin to add the pink glitter. I'll cure that under a UV lamp for about 3 minutes. Then I'll add sparkle to the whipped cream using the same method. Isn't this topper just gorgeous? Follow for more crafty content.